Hello everybody, sorry for the delay. Welcome. Welcome. We are here just before the market open. All right, let's see what's happening. Hope everybody's doing great. Okay. MB Trader, what's happening? How's it going? What a day so far, right? What a day. Just finishing up a quick email. So far, it's just sideways action. I was checking the news and it was quite crazy, actually. I mean, so far it seems like, well, I mean, news are not really the best, right? I mean, these are. I have to check financial juice as well. Okay, here's the market open. ACB rate cuts. Okay, nothing special. Here's the market open. Let's see how far we can get with this. There's an order block at 771. I'm wondering what's the plan here. Are we going to push higher or not? To the 900s. And now we're going lower. What is happening? Wow. Here we are. Almost down. Wow. 89. Can it really go down? Kind of an interesting move here. Is this gonna be the one or not? I think it was. Okay, so this order block has been taken out, and now we find ourselves in another one. Anyway, what else do we have? The mini didn't go down there. That's true. So this could be an interesting one. The news candle's low is down at 713. Hard to predict. Martin, hello. Did you know about Apex first week rules for PA? No. It's something new, right? First week rule. Is this came out today? Is this something brand new? Because it might be about the that $50 day thing. Took the low. Ah. To the moon? Alright, let's see. Well, you might go to the moon then. Somewhere in the night. I'm watching this closer, but I don't see anything right now. Crypto is pumping. I wasn't checking crypto since a while. What about the altcoins? I think we need some altcoin market to be pumping as well. You know, we need those altcoins. Anyway, let's wait and see. Do we have something? We don't have anything else on 10 a.m., right? Or at 10 a.m. happening. What's this gonna be, I wonder? $300K worth of Hawktua. Wow. Ah. We go about 931 candle, then we will go higher. Okay, let's see. Let's see what happens. I'm kind of curious where this one wants to go. Obviously, we have to wait for until the dust settles, but we might go higher. Who knows? So far at the same spot. Not too much is going on. Well, gotta wait and see. I was looking for a scalp, but nothing else. Sit on the hands, yeah. SMT everywhere, right? Yeah, I guess it's just the best is to just not do anything, right? But kind of a crazy start of the day. I don't know. I don't know what's the deal here. Stuck in this area. I guess somewhere around 45 or 50, like mostly around the macro time, we should see some kind of a movement. And so far, this is what's gonna happen like this. Well, not much to do. There was no entry. There was a very small minor fair value gap here at 31. I guess we can call it first fair value gap if you want to. Right here. This one. But, you know, on the mini, well, of course, it took it out. Low is 54. Yeah. So, not a big surprise there, but anyway. It's still a-okay. No, I don't want to do. No 100 micro trades here. Definitely not. I'm not doing it. Oh, man, I can't do that. No, no, sir. We have to wait, obviously. And I was just checking higher time frames and everything. We have relative equal lows down there. Look at that. It's 711. That's more juicier. You know. On the micro, but there's nothing on the mini here, so the mini didn't spike down there. But that's the tricky part. And otherwise, nothing else. Nothing that I like in this price section. There's one level though, so I agree that we could go higher. Which is this order block here. On this 1 minute candle. So that's why I think we could be going higher to 811. 12.25 on the micro actually. Yeah, exactly, Martin, exactly. So there need to be some manipulation, I guess, before we go higher. But obviously, let's just see what else is going on. So was this the manipulation or not? This is a nice bullish engulfing candle here, which is awesome. If we go to 812, yeah, let me just see. Yeah, it looks okay. Bullish engulfing candle, that's my favorite basically, and bearish engulfing. So this was a nice little sign after sweeping these levels. If it wants to touch the order block at 812, then obviously this is the move. I entered the shorts in a small scalp position here, nothing special, only with just 5 micro. My entry is terrible actually, but we'll see. Looking for 811. Yeah. Yeah, that's why it could be a good one. We'll see, I guess. $811. Yeah, exactly. So if it's not gonna go, it's fine. I'm just gonna close it manually. I don't want to wait too much with this. If it want to do more sweep down to 711, because that's a dangerous area, then I'm okay with it. Still have time until the macro. Yeah, macro incoming. When? Is it at 45 or 50? The question. The forever question. Anyway, I added 2 more micros. So I'm in 7 micros right now in this scalp. I'm holding until 811. If I see it doing some dirty moves, I might close it manually. I have a negative risk to reward ratio right now. But it's a scalp position, as I said. Where is it? So this is it. It's a scalp trade. I'm just, you know, if this one goes down to 711, it's fine, but I need to close this ASAP if it starts to take the elevator with a small loss. Yeah. 45 to 15, yeah. Some use that, some use 50 to 10. You know, good question. Yeah, it seems like it might want to go down. Okay, I'm closing this position down. Closed it. Let's see what happens. It might want to sweep that area. Okay, it went lower. Okay, it's a good thing I closed it. And actually reversed it. I hate scalping. Okay, now we're finished down here, really. This should be the finish for this move. Only question remains. Is it want to go down to previous day low? Anyway. I like that zone up there. Right around here. Supply zone. And we're just going down, which is okay. This here later could be a good target, that area, okay? So far, it seems like we're going to 641. The news was bad, so maybe that's the reason that we're going down. Hey, Chaz. Yeah, definitely like 5 minutes since London, right? It does feel like it. Okay, we might be seeing a shift here. Martin is long. Not Faber, hello. Had 5 contracts to sell. Okay. Yeah, I'm actually thinking to go for this or not. I wanted to wait for a possible inversion setup here. There's nothing really I can take. I mean, there's one thing I can do. All right, anyway. I took a very small position. On another account. A very small position, only with 4 micros this time, and I'm kind of curious what's the plan here, because it's not fitting the criteria what I like. So there's no structure shift to the upside. I'm just basically adding a bit of a gamble here. So the entry model is definitely not good. I mean, it's not present. We need the market structure shift, but at least we swept some liquidity. If the market wants to correct to the upside after manipulating everybody down there, then I think it could be an ideal point to reverse. If it's not going to do that, it's fine. then we should be going down to the 640s, which I think is going to happen. So let me show you. I'm switching to a different account here. The previous account, I managed to reverse it and recoup my losses. I'm going to show you in a second. So this was the account earlier. Managed to make 252, and this one is now in drawdown, 151 bucks, but it's kind of like a fresh account. I might go into close position if I have to, or just let it hit the stop because I just don't feel it. Amadeo, hello there. Very much news with Trump. Yeah, I'm gonna be there from 11:30. Yeah, I'm gonna be there from 11:30. So we'll see. I mean, it could also be a seek and destroy day. Who knows, right? Yeah, exactly. So, so what I'm looking here is basically, my favorite level. Hopefully, this is what I'm looking at right there, that zone. If it goes down, obviously we should be taking out 641. And I completely understand why it wants to go down to sweep more orders. Uh-oh. I guess it's not going yet. Don't worry. We'll get there. Well, it was looking good. So I was anticipating that if I would go down to the 15-second or 30-second chart, I would have seen a structure shift somewhere in this area at 45-ish. The first fair value gap, by the way, is a very small one, if that's a valid one, at 802. But if not, then it's going to be this one. So kind of hard to decide which one is going to be. I think the first fair value gap is going to be the higher one. So it's barely visible. It's right there at previous day high. It's a small, tiny one. SMT happening again. Oh my god. Yeah, it doesn't look good. Okay, I think it's gonna pull down NQ, unfortunately. I mean, if by some miracle ES would pop there, that would be nice. But you know, it's just gonna pull. Yeah, it's pulling it down. Okay, so then 460. I mean, sorry, 641 is what we have to look for, I think. I'm still in the trade, but I'm willing to close it. Yeah, closed it. It is what it is. Maybe I'm gonna wait for another structure shift to the upside. Maybe. Maybe that's the thing we need to do. So anyway, let's just wait for it. Somewhere in the night. So previous day low, maybe the target. At this level, it's hard to say. Look at this. Wow. Wow, wow. Martin, what? I believe in it. I believe in it. I just entered the long position again, adding one more chance to it. So don't worry, I'm riding it. I'm doing it. Here you go. I believe in the zone. Obviously, I'm not going to force it if it wants to go lower and, you know, and do some crazy things. But I believe in it. Yeah, SMT. Yeah. The only problem is that does this have enough steam to push it up there? You know, that's the big question. Actually, I'm gonna delete these levels. These are irrelevant. Somewhere in the night. Oh no, now it's going down. Okay, that's why I don't want to force it any longer. If it breaks lower, obviously we're gonna wait. Let's see what ES is doing. Yeah, ES kind of look like it wants to pop, but who knows? There was no major shift here. Not even a proper structure shift, so can still do anything. Yeah, exactly. We want those fast and big candles. Kirktown, 10 a.m. open. Yeah, let's mark it. 10 a.m. open here. We have 10 a.m. open at 7:23. Right there. Why? You're not shadow banned. Come on. Yeah, I marked it. That's the 10 a.m. open. 10 a.m. There you go. Let's see. Collecting orders. Yeah, most likely. Question is, why? Why? I'm still in this. I mean, second chance for the trade, obviously. Well, it depends, Kirktown. I'll do my best. I'll do my best. if it's not a big thing, absolutely. The Elon salute. I can't do that. You know, YouTube is gonna ban me forever, I think. We need the pump, right? We need the pump. The pump. Let's go, pump it, baby. Pump. Pump it. Oh, man. Yeah, at least we have some kind of a structure shift here. 9 a.m. lows before pump. Yeah. Amadeo closed it. Hey, congratulations. 1% for the day. Nice. Nice. Oh, man. That's it for the pump. It's just not doing it. Well, I mean, we have an up close candle, which is fine, but look at this. Let's just... I don't know what the hell it's doing. Not really the move I was looking for yet. Anyway, we're just gonna wait. We are going to wait. You're out. Congratulations, man. Good job, good job. Oh no, look at this. Well, no pump here. Seems like that was it. Yeah, ES might be losing some grip here, but oh no. Oh no. I feel like it's not going to be enough for this move. If it's unable to push it, then 641, I'm afraid. 641 is what's going to happen. Natalia, macro almost finished. It was just consolidation. Yeah. Problem is, yeah, I think so. It might want to continue to that direction. I think I'm closing down the position here. It was a good ride. I'm closing it down. Okay, closed it. This is it. I can't afford anymore. I think it just wants to break lower than that 693 or 92. I guess that's the level. So let's just wait for it and maybe watch for that 650, 641-ish area. This wasn't ready for the push yet. So this just wasn't it. It just wasn't it. It repriced that 1 minute candle now. So let's see if it really wants to break those levels, or it might turn around here. It might turn around. Who knows? Let's see. If it makes a shift, I'll go crazy. I exited at break even from that trade. I think, yeah. Look at that, man. I'm gonna go crazy. It's not going down there. Small range there, yeah. Previous day low. Yeah, I think so too. That could be the case. Definitely going down to the 700s maybe, right? Unfortunate. Oh, we tried. I don't want to force it then. If it goes sideways, I just can't jump into another trade. Even though I like that zone, without confirmation, I just don't want to. And I just can't. So no jumpy without that confirmation there. Martin is holding no matter what. All right. Hold on to dear life. Yeah, and the 5-minute is definitely like barcoded out. It's really a decision point at this moment. I mean, we're gonna have a new 5 and 15-minute candle soon. I guess we'll see. I'm not saying it can't go up, but it's definitely in a difficult position. Okay, now maybe it's gonna dump below 700. No, it's not. I thought that it wants to. I thought that it wanted to, but not. Okay, how much time do we need? At least 1 more minute until the new candles. And there's no shift. Hold on to short. All right. The macro pump, and oh my god, everybody's fading everybody. What's it gonna be? It seems like it might want to dump it, but I don't know. We have the new 15-minute candle real soon here. Maybe that's gonna bring something. Not sure. If it goes, then it has to finish down there at previous day low, I guess. If it goes down the elevator. If not, then not. Okay, here it goes. New 15-minute candle. Let's see what it wants. Price is just struggling in the same position. Doesn't really want to go anywhere. I do like that zone up there, but now I need really clean moves to try to go for it. Maybe Kirktown. I don't know. At this point, I'm the 5 and the 15-minute looks ugly. So 4 hour right below the daily low. Okay. Then let me check the 4 hour. Oh, well. Yeah, just consolidation. And, you know, I'm going to be watching this closely. Like, really, if I see the proper shift I need, then, you know, we'll see what we can do with this. Obviously. No, I think it's just not strong enough. Too much pressure from the sellers. Buyers are not really stepping in. Yeah, down we go, I think. They just want to let it go, baby. Maybe not. And it's just totally unpredictable at this moment. I wonder if it wants to test the 700, and how is it going to behave if it goes down to 700. That would be also an interesting scenario, just to see it. But so far, still in the range. Okay, nothing is happening. It's not dumping it. He might as well have to wait for the 30-minute candle. 10:30, yeah, maybe. TickTickTrader website, pure scam. Well, they are in business since a while and they do pay out, so I hope it's not a scam. Okay, there's nothing to do with this. I'm just gonna sit back and relax. There's really not much to do with this. It's not testing the 700 also. Let's just wait. New 5-minute candle, which still looks like a huge barcode chart. Might be pushing higher. Didn't go down to test the which one was that? 700 level. Okay, we have something here. This one might close higher. Let's wait for it. No, it's not. It's not doing anything. This is not a proper shift. I mean, we wicked up higher, but yeah, and it's very weak. Who knows? Maybe I'm gonna try one more time. Yeah, Kirktown. The scam businesses are rising. Let's go, Martin. Miracle is long. All right, I'm entering along as well. Just with a small position here. Okay. Small position. Maybe add one more micro. Targeting 810 up there. I'm gonna put my stop down there. I'm gonna go on this account. Okay, so let's see. So trying to get to that zone. You know, maybe I should have stayed in the position in the first place and, you know, not do anything crazy. No pain, no gain. Yeah, 63. Oh, that's good. No stop. Oh, I see. Well, at least you have to put in some hard stop or something like at least some kind of a daily loss limit, because there's a if there's a power outage or the servers go down or whatever, at least put in some kind of a stop. Oh, at 19. You were long at 19. Okay. Well, we'll see. I'm only with 4 micros here. Tuning it down. Let's wait and see. Maybe on a pullback, adding one more micro. Let's go, baby. Come on. We need to get there. The pump. The pump.
Terrific, right?
The pump. Yeah, I have Apex funded as well. Only 3 accounts right now. I had more, but I'm focusing more on MyFundedFutures. I'm focusing on Take Profit Trader accounts. And I have DayTraders funded account. I have Funded Futures Network funded account. And since I'm not really copy trading these accounts, I'm you know, it's too many accounts to trade all at once. But yeah, Apex is good. I mean, I know you guys hate it, but my favorite is definitely MyFundedFutures and the Take Profit Trader. And how long until the passing email? What does that mean? You know, okay, you have to wait until midnight. Yeah. TPT is goated. Yeah, everybody's favorite, the Take Profit Trader. If you guys want the no fee promo, I'm here. It might be ending, then you should go for it and use the best code out there. If you guys would like to support the channel, try out this code. It's gonna help you. Oh yeah. So tomorrow you will have the email. No, one trade is okay. You can do whatever you want on the evaluation accounts. So there's no specific rule about that. You can pretty much do whatever you want. A bit of a pullback here. Still not at the zone. Okay. Let's see. Oh man, why am I so tired today? The pump. The pump. I would like to ask a favor from any of you. If any of you would thinking to join or buy a Take Profit Trader account, and if you would like to use my code, please let me know when you used it. If you let me know, I would like to know it, because I think there's something off with my code and with my link there. I noticed it since a few days ago, and I just want to make sure if I'm right or wrong. Obviously, whatever, during the month or next month, if any one of you guys are planning to buy a Take Profit Trader account, and if you use my code, just let me know, please, because I want to check with support, because I think there's something off with my link or code or something, as far as I checked it. Wait, first fair gap. Yeah, we already hit that. Here's first fair value gap. I want to switch to my Forex funds from Apex. That's cool. That's awesome. I mean, no problem with that. Absolutely. I'm just saying, if anyone is thinking to use it, just let me know if you did, because I need to check if my dashboard is actually working correctly. So there's a technical issue on I think on their website. I've been seeing this since a few days ago, and I just want to make sure that if I know correctly or not. Yeah, so if you pass the account, you go to your dashboard and go to signatures. You go to signatures. I can show it to you. No problem. Absolutely. Apex website is a little bit slow right now. So you go to where is the dashboard? It's slow. The website is slow right now. What the heck is going on here? Is it a pullback? Apex website is super slow. It's not loading in. Take a TP. I mean, it's a fairly small position, so I'm okay with it. That's what she said. I'm afraid of not using Nofi 30, but for you, I will try. Oh, thank you so much, Kurt Town. Oh my gosh, what is happening here? Yeah, so here is the dashboard on Apex. You go here, and you go to signatures on the left. You see it? Signatures. Here, on the left. You go here, click on signatures. And we have to wait about 2 hours until the website is loading in. You go to signatures and you wait about 2 hours. Jesus, what is happening here? Almost out of my position. What the hell is this? Now this is unexpected. I think it's gone. Okay, it's still loading. The website is totally slowed down. So go to signatures and just click on payment link and the account number. That's how easy it is. Yeah, it's super slow. So here's the signatures, and you go to your account number. I'm not gonna click on it because it's gonna show my details. You click on your account number, you sign the agreement, and the payment link is gonna appear. And that's it. That's how super simple. These are the 2 links. And that's it. You're done with activating the account. So that's how super simple it is. Oh man, this trade is going to the dumpster again. I'm so sad about this. Why does this keep happening? It was so close to the zone, man. Went up there. It's kind of annoying. We're going back to the 10 a.m. candle? Or what? What is going on here? This is like almost literally frustrating. I think it just wants to drop more. What a shame. What a shame. Is this because Trump is saying something? I think it could be. Who knows? Oh yeah. It's China and Trump again. There was something there. Okay, at least that gives me some comfort that okay, I'm out. Darn it. What a crazy move, man. This is sabotage. Absolute nonsense. Okay. Okay. And I pressed the dashboard and the left side was looking nice. Yeah. Everybody who bought sold. Yeah. Okay, so news were out and I got cooked. I got cooked on that. Negative $255. What can I say? I got cooked. There was definitely some news here, right? I mean, it had to be. Tricky. Absolutely a tricky one. I mean, it almost went up there. You've seen the news from... No, I don't know. What's the news? I have no... What was the news here? The US should remove negative measures on China. Okay, Ireland's president... Okay, okay. Okay, nothing here. What was this? What was this news, actually? I don't understand. And look at the... What the heck is going on in the market? Man, this is crazy. This is absolutely unreal of what's happening right now. Absolutely unreal. Absolutely, totally unreal. Look at this, man. Okay. All right. I'm good. I was just pissed off. I was just pissed off by this move. This was obviously news. I don't know what the heck was this. Link. YouTube is not accepting links in the chat. Favor. I mean, you can, but it's not gonna show up. Yeah, I mean, Zacromancer, this move. This was, I think I would give this move the dirtiest move of the past 30 days on NQ. This was a dirty move, I think. And you know what? I still think it's gonna go and hit that 812. So reset that master account for me, but I have... Oh, no, I just started yesterday, and oh, up 650. Let's go, Joseph. Congratulations. Look at this, man. We're going to 812. Oh, man. And the zone again. But it's actually, I mean, I actually have a good feeling about this. Why? Because the zone prevailed once again. The level I was anticipating, you know, we got there. But this here, my God. Martin, keep that 1K and walk away. And we are just going higher now. There's definitely some news hitting the market. Breaking. China's President Xi and Trump agreed to start a new round of talks. Awesome. We all love that. Okay, I think it's just best not to do anything in this session, because it's just a hot steaming pile of cat poop wrapped into dog poop, you know, and it's still steaming. That's what it is right now. I mean, the level played out nicely. That's all right. That's cool. But you know, do you know how to contact Apex? They have an email, I think, support@apextraderfunding.com or something like that. Or there is a you go to the website, you go on Help Center, and you can. That's the better thing to do, by the way, not favorite. Go to the website. There is a link somewhere. There's Help Center, and you scroll down. It's super difficult to find it, but it's there to open up a support ticket. You find that link, and then you can write everything there. You're gonna get a ticket number. That's the proper way to do it. So that's what I would do. You know, dirtiest, right? Sacramento. It's definitely the dirtiest. The dirtiest day so far. To all-time high. Yeah, most likely. Yeah, it's in the help center somewhere. You know, you go to the questions or the knowledge base or something, and once it's asked like, did this one answer your question? You click on no, and it's gonna bring you to another link or something, and somewhere with small letters it's gonna be like open a support ticket, and that's what you need to find somewhere. But actually, I can find it for you. Okay, I'm gonna help you to find it. I'm gonna help you to find it because I know how annoying is that. They should do something about that on their website. Help desk. I'm gonna get it. Help desk. Okay, blah blah blah. No, submit a request. I think I found it. I think I found it. Haha. Where is it? I'm gonna log into the chat. Here is it. Exactly, Antonio. Exactly. Two market leaders plan to talk, and the market is acting like super crazy because somebody from a news feed said that somebody from the White House said that Trump and Xi are planning to talk, and the whole market goes crazy. Like, this is the most stupidest thing I can imagine. Like, is this really how the market is working? Somebody spilling out a information crumb like, yes, they are planning to talk about it again, you know. I can imagine the conversation between the two journalists, like, hey dude, you know, they're having some pre-lunch, you know, or just having a breakfast, early breakfast or whatever. Hey dude, what's up? Like, no, nothing special. Yeah, you know, yesterday we were hearing that maybe, you know, the president is gonna, you know, get in some talks again. You go, this whole tariff thing is just a messed up thing. Yeah, really, they do. Yeah. They're gonna do some talks. Oh, nice. You know, and the guy goes out to the bathroom and he sends a text message like, dude, this is awesome. I just hearing that they're gonna talk again. And this message gets to his boss, and he puts it out on the website. Trump and China are in talks again. And the whole Wall Street is, oh my God, everybody, they are in talks again. It's like I'm gonna show you a great example of that. You know, I'm gonna show you. It's like Family Guy waffles. I'm gonna show you this. You guys are gonna be amazed how accurate this story is. Okay, let me just give it that. Okay, this is gonna be the one. This is how it works, actually. Okay, this is how it's based on actual life events. What just happened?
I was busy so I could be here. Now let's grip it and rip it. The Fed is going to be lowering rates, so get your money out of T-bills and put it all into waffles. Tasty waffles with lots of syrup.
Waffles! Buy waffles! Waffles! Waffles!
Okay, so it was something like that. Like, Jesus. you know. They're gonna talk again. They're gonna talk again. Oh my God. Are they really? You know, I would have asked, you know, from the journalist, are you sure they're gonna talk again ever? You know, I would have asked like, can you please confirm, you know, press conference White House, next scene, you know, next scene, press conference White House. I'm sorry, can you please confirm that the president is gonna talk ever in the lifetime again, ever again, with the president of China? You know, just asking around, you know, asking for a friend, and you know, the answer is, yeah, I think they're gonna talk. You know, the president still has to do like almost 4 years of his term, so I guess they're gonna talk. You know, during those 4 years, I guess. Not sure, but most likely, yeah. I think they're gonna talk. Oh, awesome! All right, and Wall Street goes crazy. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. At least I got this out from my chest. You know, I feel better now. I feel better. Can you see your P&L in the dashboard of Apex? Because I only see what I need to do to pass an account. Well, the dashboard updates every other day. So it's not updating during the day, not favor. You have to wait until the reset. And the only thing you can see is the PA charts. So you're technically not seeing how much you have to do. So the only thing I'm watching is my quant hour balances and account informations. That's all. Yes, tomorrow is another day. I 100% agree. I agree. I agree 100%. I agree. Let's see how much I lost on that trade. I lost a lot. I mean, I was messing too much around this area. I lost $380 on a funded account. That is what it is, right? But I'm super happy because the MyFundedFutures funded account is up $481. I didn't do anything on the Bulenox accounts today. I should have done something. And the DAYTRADERS account, so this is up 528, so getting closer. And the Funded Futures Network account is up 231. You know, and today I also made another payout level with the Take Profit Trader, so I'm going to be asking another payout, $595, asking it tomorrow. Yeah, I'm sitting on my hands, that's for sure. That's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to sit here, rock hard. Yeah, exactly. I know, Martin. Yeah. So you really only need to look on for me trade away. I mean, yeah, yeah, exactly. Exactly, not favor. That's what you need to follow. I would suggest. How many contracts they taking on that account? Well, I usually on that take profit trader account, I usually go 50% of the time I go scalping with one mini, maybe two. Otherwise, I go in with like usually 3 to 5 or 6 micros. So far, I received from this single account, and this account is active since not too long ago. So far, from this single account, I have managed to take out $3,160, including today's profit. $3,160, and I take payouts every single day with Take Profit Trader. Obviously, you know, I can't keep it up forever. I will try to you know, try to put some more buffer zone there, but it's you know, still the first part of the month. So my aim is to take out as much money as possible, and when I'm at my goal, I will try to you know, upper the buffer zone a little bit, you know. Is there a consistency rule? Yeah, 30%. Hey, no problem, absolutely not favor. 30% consistency rule. Yeah, the website is definitely not user friendly. 30% consistency. Yeah. Yeah, daily payouts are the best, obviously, but hey, no problem. Absolutely not favor. I'm happy to answer as much as I can. Definitely, and good luck with it, you know. And just stick around on the stream anytime, and we're here to help. Again, well, hopefully the Tamsei Boko. Oh, that it definitely does, Chaz. It works. And I'm just saying, if any one of you guys would plan to use the code, if you guys would let me know, it's just for technical reasons, because on the affiliate side, I think the website is glitching at Take Profit Trader, and something's wrong with my code, I think, or something with the link. I don't know. Something is glitching out. Someone told me he bought 3 or 4 accounts yesterday with the code, and it's not registering. And I've seen it in the past couple of days that basically I have 3 people already told me that he bought accounts that it's not registering on the affiliate side. So I just want to make sure if I'm wrong or something wrong. So it's not like super necessary to do it. I mean, whenever you feel like, just let me know, because I want to check it. I want to check it if it registers. Yeah, they sent me a screenshot. One of them actually recorded a video like typing in the code. The code was working. They got the discount. Checkout page was working, and on my sales page and as an affiliate, it did not register. I was like, well, what is happening? And I noticed that basically no sales are registering in the past 48 hours, I think. But anyway, it might be just a glitch or temporary thing. That's why I'm saying, if any one of you guys, you don't have to send anything, just tell me like, okay, you tried it, and I will check it. If not, then I'm gonna ask support like to look into the issue. I think there might be a glitch on their website, you know. Let's see. Let's see. 56. I think it might want to go higher. Not the kind of levels I want to see. I mean, there's not much to do. Awesome, Chaz. Hey, no activation. Yeah, 30% off and no activation fee. Thank you so much. It's not like you don't have to, do it right now or whenever. If you do it whenever during the next couple of days or during the month, that's cool too. So no rush, as I want to say. I'm just gonna check it if it registers, because at least I can tell them that we have a couple of users who used it and it did not register. Take Profit Trader. Right now the promo, which is, by the way, Take Profit Trader, as I said, is my other favorite. So MyFundedFutures, Take Profit Trader, the daily payouts, still $119 on the 50K accounts with no activation fee and daily payouts. And that's awesome, right? And no rules. You can read a good article on my website if you go to tomsabo.biz or pip.ninja, whatever. And there's lots of questions answered there on that article. What can you do and what can't you do? Because basically the only thing you're restricted is news trading on the red folder news, and basically NFP, CPI, and FOMC. Those are the three ones. Otherwise you can trade everything. Don't worry, not favorite. It's not a rush. It's not in a rush. I'm just saying, I'm investigating the technical glitch on their site. I'm just still investigating. It's not a rush. Oh my god, I promised you guys a giveaway. Oh my gosh, there's gonna be no time for the giveaway because I'll be at MyFunded TV soon. I promised the giveaway. Why didn't you guys say? In London session I promised a cash giveaway for today, but I don't have time for it. So we are gonna do it tomorrow, okay? Tomorrow in New York session we're gonna do it. No, tomorrow there will be no London session because I'm taking my mother to hospital again for treatment, but I'll be back hopefully until the New York session starts. So we'll do it then, okay? Double giveaway. All right, Martin. All right. Chaz, you just purchased one? Thank you so much, man. Let me check it. The website should be updating. Let me log in and check it. So tomorrow, no London, but I will be here. I mean, London, there will be no, not London, New York. London, no stream. New York, yes stream. Wow. Okay. There is a new user purchase here. Okay. Happened just now, a minute before 11 a.m. Eastern Standard. I think that was Chaz then. So what the hell was happening in the past 48 hours? I don't know. Chaz, thank you so much, man. It seems like it's working. Highly appreciate it. Thank you for the support. Thank you, man. I don't know then. What the hell? Because I have video proof. Anyway, that's just my problem, obviously. So thank you, Chaz, again. At least I know that the website now is working. But still, I'm going to contact support. Hey, Vivian. The day was okay. I mean, I'm green on a few accounts. I got cooked on one Apex account on this move here. I was in a long position. I got cooked on this drop, and then it went into my area. But otherwise, it's good. Typical news, typical Trump market here. And then that's it so far. How is your day, Vivian? Good to see you. So again, tomorrow, no London. I'll be back. Maybe I'll be a little bit late for the New York stream, but I'll be here. You're up on your TPT account. Let's go, Vivian. Daily payouts. That's what we want. That's what we want. Okay, everybody. I think I'm going to sign off because I'm not going to put on more trades. And I'm going to make some calls and get a coffee, have a break, and then I'll be signing into MyFunded TV shortly. So if you guys would like to follow there, just go on YouTube and look for MyFundedFutures TV. And tomorrow I'll be back for New York session. We'll do giveaway. And yeah, no London stream again. All right. Thank you so much, everybody. God bless you all. It was an interesting session for sure. I'll be at MyFunded TV shortly. See you guys. God bless.